welcome back. Now still the Good Morning Naija show. For you, we just enter. Yes, we dey carry you go another levels right about now. But on a good day, I'm not supposed to smell. Yes, but today na Monday. Even though the person we'll get for inside house right about now is our Oloworiwa, our honorable. So make una help me. Just help me to give a good welcome to honorable.
May it remain like this forever.
Amen. No.
May it remain like this. The peace and unity in this house will never stop.
Yes.
We want to make it a continue. If not to come out Lolo permanently, which I know is not possible.
Thank God say you know say not possible.
I know it's not possible.
Thank God say you know you good as you talk, you just talk, you don't talk out well.
Nah, mistake. I'm sorry. We need this peace. We need this peace and unity.
Yes. Good morning, Nigerians. Good morning, my people where they watch us. Honorable Nkobi is in their house. Yes, I like the way you started this morning's program.
Yes.
At least your head calm down. You know, be like that fire.
Hey.
I tell you.
And then you're always the quiet person. That's why I will continue to love you, they go.
Honorable.
And I wish, I'm still talking. Hold on.
Honorable, you dey fast.
I wish I had known sooner like they say, na numbers they normally cause wahala for just me and streamline. So me I just streamline, make either one or two. As this house dey now, you know they peaceful.
Honorable, you know say now when you want chop cake, you go remember say oven day. Because right about now, everything don't cost for market. I go market, go buy tomato no even day. You never can arrange your house in order, you dey follow go find ministers for cabinet. Honorable, no be person go first quench the fire waiting for your house before you go quench another person fire.
Well, if you enter the
fire for here now. The fire for here now.
They talk now top market.
The fire for here now no dey quench. The fire for here at this point in time, this mood.
We complete for inside house.
No.
We complete for inside house.
We no need to dey complete before the fire
go
quench.
You suppose dey for inside house complete.
See,
1, 2, 3, 4. Mary, buy
you sef know say some of una, like some of them, they are natural fires themselves. Their fire dey quench. Their fire only.
Now you carry this fire come for inside this house.
No.
Go water day.
I will not accept that. I reject it.
Make I tell you now one story.
Yes.
Make I give you now one weird story.
In fact, talk.
Make I tell you one weird story or something wey happened recently. Now this woman, her name na Barati Model. You know wetin happen?
What she do?
They catch her, say she dey eat her pikin.
Hey!
No.
Sit down, make I finish the story now. Make I finish the story.
Don't worry.
Now, the small pikin na be Barati Model. The woman wey do this badness, her name na Pramila Model.
Pramila.
Now, wetin happen be say, they see her, they slice the scalp, they eat the flesh. Why the child be they shout? Why? Because they say this woman overdrink. Say she overdrink. If you see the pikin picture, say she overdrink. As she reach as hunger wan finish her. Now she carry her pikin. She turn her pikin into food. They say Barati be they bleed like say tomorrow not day. As her mother Pramila just they eat her. They eat the flesh off her head. Now the uncle can't hear the pikin they shout. Now he can't immediately snatch the pikin from the mother. So rush the pikin to hospital where the pikin they admit her for inside ICU. Now they say this mother of 3 so say they don't know her for a very long time with alcohol issue. Say she they take alcohol like say tomorrow not day. And after news of this incident don't spread around, say she do this badness, people can't gather. You know jungle justice now. They gather, start to they beat her. They want burn her until when police come rescue her. You can imagine waiting mother. He don't turn the pikin to rice and chicken. They eat the pikin score.
To suya.
The pikin be they bleed, but she they eat and they enjoy am. This one a human be honorable.
The money where she they take the drink. She know, even in the first place. I know say from the picture I see the kind of poverty level where she dey go dey very terrible. Okay, yet you see money, yet now drink they take and they drink. Even the picture I see now, anyway, let me.
Honorable, no be some of una waiting for house where they use.
Don't they
that kind
see,
of thing. Okay, what do you want to?
I'm talking about very serious. Don't they accuse me of which I don't know?
Drink sharp one. Anyone, anything they go to brush their mouth with that drink.
Find them go now. What's in me?
Why they address issue when we say this problem now?
No, the problem they tell you now. They see they ask her why she go get money. Use and go buy drink.
Some people are born
drink.
Some are naturally born to be very stubborn. You are number one. You are fire yourself. You are fire.
Before. If I don't be fire, what I will be.
Thank you.
Anyway, this one a human angle, because this one to another matter honorable. You need to listen well because right about now people are learning different ways to kill. So you need to know which of your category you belong. So that
Can you just do the story without involving Honorable in the story?
34-year-old man, they say the man quite in wife because in wife, they stop to they do church or church. She's talking 247. This one are one of the most nyam thing we they hear because this 34-year-old Texas man, when I named Jonathan Edenlen, they say the man don't confess, saying killing 22-year-old wife when Sierra Ford because they keep quiet, according to Dallas Morning News. Now he come outside, they tell police officer say he and Ford they begin arguments for night after they go buy one marijuana that now like Igbo. And they can't enter one shop. He come they complain say his wife no go stop to the talk. If they talk. He carry television. He throw away television for you. They watch they talk. They get argument. They come they fight. They say the fight come up for inside room. If the fight come up for where they move inside room. They say now the man just carry pillow cover the woman face like this till the woman stop to the breathe. The funny thing is saying that 2 days after, he wait for 2 days with dead body before he can call officers, contact them say, you know what, we could put handcuff on my hand and carry me go jail because I don't find my wife. And right about now, they say that murder charge, now in the end they charge her with a bond set of about $500,000 according to the jail records. So Honorable.
No. This one a lesson. I don't like what actually happened. Yes, not be good.
But answer number waiting in think about the whole
story. Now listen to you, Oluchi. Yes, now listen to you.
See,
because you talk too much. Now listen to you.
We know say naturally. Naturally, women they run mouths. Somebody like her.
I'm telling
then
you.
They talk. But then you will be the man for crying out loud. Two, you get options now. One, it is either you keep quiet for the woman, make she talk. She go tire eventually. And once she tire, she will go sleep. Or you go do it. Or come out from house for them. I mean, come out for house for her. Find somewhere to go. Maybe if you no see who she go rake with or shout on.
She go follow cop, they argue like Oluchi was when you don't tell her cop.
You don't ask me they handle women for house here. I go follow them talk. Once I say their talk don't pass me.
You come out.
Keep quiet, tell me I come out.
Now because I will give you a chance make you come out Honorable. If you decide to block road, they go anywhere.
Then I will keep quiet now with the talk.
And come out this cap, knock her for grass, they go anywhere.
Then I will keep quiet.
So what's the story all about? You not still learn from the story, Luchi.
No, I did learn that even say my talk is not cheap.
You see, I not pray make you
my talk is not cheap.
Somebody like me will not even attempt to even say I want it because
now me they do work for that they show me your 5 fingers.
No, I'm only telling you.
Good, use 1 finger. I like them.
See, either way, I got the warn you.
Like this.
See, are you people equal? I don't get this. Are you equal now?
No, go ahead.
You know if you just give her respect. Really? Jokes apart, you know if you give her respect.
Not if they arrange me now, I go give her respect.
He go arrange you.
How they arrange me?
If you don't tire, waka come out now. If you don't do again, waka come out.
Why you frustrating this man's life?
I know they carry last, I know they come out anywhere. Now here I don't stay. Now here my destiny day. My destiny day for here. Now for here my destiny go parry on top. Not today we go do.
Why people want to use their destiny to block other people joy? And we're going to pass more break. But Honorable, I need to salute you for the wisdom we God don't give you to handle some women where they talk too much. And I pray may God continue to give you that wisdom to handle talkative.
Thank you.
Like Luchi,
like
Chika.
People with
like
talk.
Thank you very much.
We they come back, my people.
Thank you.
Levels with Chika.
Thank you.
Honorable.